Welcome, dear friends, to the Craft Channel. Today we are pleased to present to you a unique overview of the most highly efficient and technologically advanced machines that have revolutionized the agriculture and construction industries. Subscribe to our channel to keep abreast of all events. Don't forget to rate our video and share it with your friends who will also be interested in this topic. We thank you for choosing our channel and wish you pleasant viewing. The Braun 585 is a self-propelled drainage plow designed for efficient installation of drainage systems in agricultural fields. It is a powerful and versatile machine that can effectively cut through the soil and accurately install drainage pipes. High performance, durability and versatility make it a valuable tool for farmers and contractors involved in the installation of drainage systems. The Braun 585 is equipped with a powerful Cummins 550 horsepower, 410 kilowatts, engine, a 2-speed hydrostatic power unit, a D7 chassis and a hydraulic system providing the necessary power and controllability for effective drainage installation. The standard model of the DL850 plow Braun 585 is designed to create a trench in the soil, having dimensions, a maximum depth of 7 feet 6 inches, a width of 132 inches, a length of 406 inches, a height of 133 inches, allowing drainage pipes to be laid without the involvement of additional equipment. It cuts through the soil with minimal disturbance, ensuring that the surrounding area remains undisturbed. The Braun 585 self-propelled drainage plow moves smoothly across the field, generating 5.5 pounds per square inch, 38 kilopascals, of ground pressure, providing an efficient and continuous flow of drainage pipe from the implement drum into the trench cut by the plow. The Braun 585 offers a variety of plow options with customization options allowing users to tailor it to their specific needs and requirements, and can be equipped with a variety of pipeline fixtures and accessories, increasing its versatility and functionality. The powerful and versatile agricultural machine Holmer Terra Variant 600 is specially designed for the application of fertilizers, lime or manure. Holmer Terra Variant 600 is equipped with a high-performance Mercedes-Benz OM 502 LA3B/2 V8 engine with a capacity of 598 horsepower, Funk DF 500 transmission, 18 forward gears, 6 reverse gears allowing it to easily cope with heavy loads and rough terrain. One of the key features of the Terra Variant 600 is the Zunhammer-mounted equipment for liquid manure application, consisting of a fiberglass barrel with a capacity of 21 cubic meters, a 5.7 meters suction pipe with the possibility of rotation by 170 degrees, a 250 mm diameter suction pipeline, a 200 mm pressure pipeline and a powerful Vogelsang VX 186-368 QD quick service suction pump max 9,000 liters per minute, which allows you to work efficiently and continuously without frequent refueling. The machine is also equipped with a sophisticated spreading system that ensures accurate and even distribution of fertilizers or other materials. The Terra Variant 600 has a spacious and comfortable cab, providing excellent visibility for the operator. Equipped with advanced technology 12.1-inch touch terminal, joystick, BHR panel control terminal rotary switch, ISOBUS WTK field operator 300 task controller terminal controls, including task management, ensuring accurate and efficient operation. The machine is designed to be lightweight and maneuverable even on difficult terrain. In addition to its spreading capabilities, the Holmer Terra Variant 600 can be equipped with various additional attachments for other tasks such as plowing, cultivating or seeding. This makes it a versatile and cost-effective solution for farmers and agricultural contractors. self-propelled 4-row carrot harvester ASA Lift SP4000, designed for efficient and precise carrot harvesting. This combine is specifically designed for large-scale commercial carrot growing operations. ASA Lift was founded in 1936 and since its inception has always maintained its high reputation for quality, innovation based on work in vegetable fields, winning the hearts and love of dairy farmers around the world. At the moment, the ASA Lift company is part of the Grimm Group of companies and offers a wide selection of equipment for harvesting vegetables, cabbage, beets, onions, carrots and many others. The key feature is the self-propelled nature of the SP4000 combine, equipped with a powerful 9 liters John Deere 6090C 550 stage V diesel engine delivering 425 horsepower, 317 kilowatts, hydraulic drive system, TerraTrack chassis, which allows it to move independently across the field and providing greater flexibility and maneuverability. With the SP4000's 4-row design, it harvests 4 rows of carrots, allowing row widths to be easily adjusted to accommodate different carrot planting configurations, using gentle harvesting techniques to minimize damage to the carrots. Equipped with specially designed conveyor belts and pickup elements that gently lift carrots from the ground without causing excessive damage or breakage. Subsequently, the harvested carrots are transported to the cleaning and sorting system on board the combine. This system removes excess soil, debris and damaged carrots, ensuring only high-quality produce is harvested. The finished peeled carrots are unloaded by a combine, feeding them using a conveyor belt into special containers of vehicles. The machine can adapt to different field conditions and planting methods, which increases productivity and reduces harvesting time. The ASA Lift SP4000 combine is designed with operator comfort and convenience in mind. It has a spacious and ergonomic cabin with excellent visibility, intuitive controls and a comfortable seat. An advanced control system such as a joystick and a machine control terminal allows you to accurately adjust and control carrot harvesting parameters. The Volvo A40G is a powerful articulated dump truck designed to transport heavy loads to construction and mining sites. It is powered by a 16-liter Volvo D13F engine producing 350 kilowatts, delivering high torque of 1,900 revolutions per minute and fuel efficiency. The A40G has a maximum payload of 40 tons and a top speed of 55 kilometers per hour. The A40G is equipped with the K-Tech 1237 scraper, which is a high-performance earth-moving scraper. It has a capacity of 37 cubic yards, 28 cubic meters, and is specifically designed to efficiently load, transport and unload materials such as dirt, sand and gravel. The scraper is equipped with a hydraulic ejection system, allowing you to quickly and easily unload contents. The combination of the Volvo A40G and the K-Tech 1237 scraper provides a versatile and efficient solution for large-scale excavation work. With a powerful motor, rugged design and advanced features, this ADT and scraper combination makes it easy to tackle tough jobs, increasing productivity and reducing operating costs. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end about the revolution in agriculture, a selection of the most successful agricultural machines. What do you like most about these agricultural machines? If someone drove and operated such machines in agriculture, share your experience. It is important to know about such revolutionary machines. Like, subscribe to the Craft channel and share the video with your friends. See you soon.